Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm 4 on PC. First, connect your controller to your computer using a standard micro USB cable. This provides the most reliable connection. If you prefer a wireless setup, ensure your PC has Bluetooth capabilities and pair the controller through your operating system settings. A stable connection is essential for uninterrupted gameplay, so confirm it is properly recognized. Next, you will need special software to help your PC recognize the PlayStation 4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, which the game supports natively. Download the most recent PS4 Windows application from its verified source. After downloading, extract all files into a new folder, then launch the program and install any necessary drivers. This vital step allows seamless integration, ensuring your controller inputs translate correctly. Once DS4 Windows is running, navigate to the Profiles tab and create a new profile specifically for Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm 4. Crucially, set the emulated controller type to Xbox 360. This tells your computer to treat your PlayStation controller as a compatible device. You can also fine-tune button assignments or adjust stick sensitivity here to match your personal preferences, ensuring a comfortable gaming experience. With DS4 Windows successfully configured and running in the background, launch Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm 4 on your PC. Once the game loads, access the Options menu and navigate to the controller or input settings. Here, confirm that your PlayStation 4 controller is now recognized as an Xbox 360 controller, displaying all the correct button prompts. You are now ready to fully enjoy the game with enhanced precision and familiar controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.